Hi everyone and welcome to Reveal. In this tutorial, I will present you what reports you can find in the customer voice section and what they mean. The Net Promoter Score is one of the business metrics that reflects your business health, so it's really useful to keep an eye on it. When you'll first get into Reveal, you'll not see any value here because the Net Promoter Score survey wasn't sent yet, but you can send the survey pre- and post-delivery to your clients and find out how they rate their experience with your business. The integration between Reveal and Klaviyo, SendGrid, or Explore will enable you to easily send a survey and retrieve the information to Reveal. You can look at this metric in multiple ways. You can check which product category, brand, or RFM group has the highest or the lowest Net Promoter Score. If you've previously done some data enrichment and have some additional information about the customers or the orders, they will appear here as customers attributes or order attributes, and you will be able to check the Net Promoter Score per each customer attribute or order attribute. The customer attribute can be anything related to your customers, location, gender, type of browsers, or anything else specific to your business. And order attribute can be anything from delivery time, discount, browser version, device used, or something specific for your business. All these graphs can be also followed as a timeline where you can check the trend month over month. These reports reflect not only the customer sentiment in relation to your business overall, but also as regards to the product assortment.